Looking to transform your shoots into masterpieces? Get ready for 2 Minutes Posing Saturday, your quick guide to elevating boudoir photography with expert tips on posing, lighting, camera settings and editing. Let's make every second count. Today's pose is a beautiful seated pose, which is simply enough that it's perfect for starting a shoot. We place our beautiful white couch in front of the window to make the most of the bright natural light in our studio. We ask our model to sit on the couch and scoot her hips as close as possible to the armrest, allowing her to sit up straight beautifully. She can rest her arms or elbows relaxed on the back of the armrest. Her legs are slightly extended on the couch, with the leg or knee on my side a bit more bent than the other one on the window side. Now stretch the toes and let the hands fall relaxed and easy. Of course, the hand placement can vary, like touching the stockings or over knees, and the gaze can be directed towards the camera or out of the window. Let's talk camera settings. Since we are working with a mix of side and front lighting, I shoot with an aperture of f2.8, the shutter speed is at 1/200th of a second, and the ISO is set at 100. Unlock the full potential of your photos with the Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Ultimate Pack for Adobe Lightroom. This preset pack comes with 21 diverse presets, including AI-enhanced adjustments for portrait perfection. Elevate your photography to magazine quality today. Photo editing. As you can see from the raw photo, I underexposed the image significantly to protect the white points and preserve image details. We start by correcting this in the first step, brightening the image by full 2 steps. Next, we select one of our sensual Boudoir Secrets Masterclass presets, which you now can also find in our app. To add some contrast to the image, I reduced the shadows by 25. Since the image still feels too bright and too soft for me in this case, I revisit the presets and decide on the Manchester look. Then I check the upright and slightly adjust the crop. And there we have our beautiful boudoir photo ready. Thanks for tuning in to 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. If you love today's tips, don't miss our next episode. Same time, next Saturday. Want more now? Click here to watch another video. And remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated.